Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect the Android Auto on your Hyundai car. So I'm using Hyundai i30 to demonstrate this process, but this process will be same on all the other Hyundai cars which are relatively new. So I'm going to use the USB cable to connect Android Auto with my Hyundai car. So make sure you have the USB cable which you can connect to your phone and the Hyundai car. Now where to find that USB port on Hyundai? So on my i30 I have this compartment here, and inside this I have this USB port, but when you see somewhere here on your any other Hyundai car, you will see somewhere here that USB port. So once you locate the USB port, just insert your USB cable in that USB port here, and then the other end will go in your Android phone. So let me connect that. So now the cable is connected to my phone and Hyundai USB port, right? As soon as I do that, I can see this message on my Android phone which says welcome to the Android Auto and then connected to Hyundai. So I'm going to just press on accept button here. So just press on this accept button, and once you press on accept button, you will see that Android Auto is connected. This is how simple it is to connect your Android Auto using Android phone to your Hyundai car. You can also see this message on your Android phone which says allow access to messages. I will allow, and then all the messages which comes to your phone can be displayed on your Hyundai car using Android Auto, right? So here you can see I'm seeing the map here, so I can search for the nearby locations here, and I can navigate the Google Maps which is there on my Android phone in my Hyundai infotainment system. I can also go to this menu here, so just press on this menu button, right? And you will see the other menu items. So whatever you want to see, you will be able to see it here. If you want to go to the Hyundai menu, once again, press on Hyundai and you will go to the Hyundai menu. And if you want to switch again to the Android Auto, just press on Android Auto icon here and you will go into the Android Auto menu, right? So this is how you can connect Android Auto with your Android device and Hyundai car. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.